the reason I joined this course was to get a better insight into incident response and the incident response plan. So I think the course overall was really, really good, very engaging, and also I like the fact that there were group tasks as well. And I think you've explained some really complex areas in very simple English, which is really good. And also the fact that you shared some useful tools with us as well, and all the resources that come with the whole course. I think overall it's been really good.